Going on, Buff?
Trying to catch some red claw. Hoping there's a couple in the trap here.
Nice.
Oh.
That's a haul. Ew.
Back in from the lake now, and now we're going to cook our red claw up. All right, I'm going to clean these last couple. Rightio, so we're going to cut our red claw in half. First of all, grab the point of the knife and run down the middle of the red claw. Like that. Now put your whole knife down the middle and finish it off. There you go, the red claw's in half. Now we get rid of all their guts. There we go, all nice and clean now, ready to go. So first thing is to put some seasoning on, our salt and pepper. So now we're going to put our chili, spring onion, garlic and butter into the pan. Mix this around a little bit. Just till the butter's melted. So next step is to take the butter, chili and spring onion out of the pan. Doesn't matter if you leave a little bit of the ingredients in there, it adds to the flavour. So next step now is to place the red claw flesh side down in the pan. So let them sizzle away nicely. We'll cook there for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. All right, now it's time to flip them. As you can see, they're nice and white, starting to turn. The shell is going a red colour. We'll flip them all over. That's what we're after. Now we'll add our butter ingredients back over it, just a spoonful, and just spread it along it. Now let that cook for another couple of minutes and then we'll be ready to go. Righto guys, they're just about done. Make sure the flesh is cooked all the way through before you pull them off the pan. Right, it's on the plate there guys. Now we'll finish off with some chopped chilli. There you go guys, there's my version of chilli and garlic red claw. Why don't you give this a try?